watching me pass. Oh, there's a fair few of them. I checked the sign on the way out of the Roman road, and the mythology does say that Wade made his road so his wife could herd her sheep. Sheep don't really need roads, I don't think. And you would imagine giants probably wouldn't really gain a lot out of a road like that. Just trying to see if I can see the road, the Roman road or the old road from here, but I don't think I can. You good? Alright. Sheeps. Trying to divide my attention between the road, the sheep, and these valleys. The sheep are well hidden in these plants. Ooh. A ford with water. Oh dear. I hope this isn't going to be that time when this turns into a YouTube video because of the ford. No! They can be very slippery, can't they? Oops. It out of gear. I made it. The tight and twisty bit. Big stones around. I see a stone up here and I'm not sure if it's a standing stone or a waymarker. Let's have a look. There's so many of these things around here. A little standing stone. I know that on this road there are 6 waymarkers at least that are varying in height. I believe one of them is about 9 feet tall, and it's they built them in the 1700s, or they erected them in the 1700s to show the direction of the road. Obviously before there was tarmac, although the surface on this road is not exactly the best tarmac. It's beating me up. But yeah, to show the direction of the road, and they've got little holes cut through them to show them as waymarkers. Very different to what you see in a lot of places where you get the red and white stripy sticks that show you where the road goes. I think mainly for when it's covered in snow. Ah, here's one. This is a small one. This is not clearly not a 9 foot tall thing. No motorcycles or vehicles. Yeah. I think motorcycles are vehicles. Yeah, that's a waymarker showing you where the road goes. You see they cut the square hole through it. I wonder if I'll see any more on my travels. I wonder if this is one at the side of the road here. Could be. Just a standing stone, doesn't have the square hole that the 6 notable ones have. Looking to the right over there, I can now see the sea. North Sea looking slightly blue under the clear sky. Over in that direction is Whitby. Whitby, well known for its goth weekend that I've shown before, as well as being the place that Dracula landed when he came across from Northern Europe. Thank you kindly. Ah, there's a decent sized one there. Oh, I can see two, I think. Pull the bike over here. Get it just outside the passing area so I'm not blocking people. Let's go and have a look at these waymarkers. Not actually sure which of these two roads is the proper one for Wheeldale. I assume it's this one still, but it could be that one. There you go, one of the waymarkers. It's not a 9-foot one, but it is taller than me, which isn't saying a lot, to be fair. So my head height's about there. That's 5'8", 5'9", so yeah, 6.5 foot or something. I don't even get a photo of my motorbike through it. But yeah, this has been here for over 300 years. I bet it lasts longer than those plastic or metal ones that they put at the side of the roads in other areas. There's another one through here. Somebody seems to have left a bunch of flowers in. Got some carving at the bottom there. Could just be an arrow, couldn't it? Right. Back to the bike. North Yorkshire dual carriageway. Here we are at Egton, or Egton Bridge. And there's a difference. That's the end of the road, the Wheeldale Road. There's a bit more than just Wheeldale Road there, but very pretty. Nice few things to see, incredibly peaceful. You're not going to go tearing around it at high speed. Well, I suppose some people would, but you're not going to safely go tearing around it at high speed. But well worth a visit. Anyway, I'll wrap this one up. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed it. Ride safe, and I'll talk to you all again soon.